We're here at the Excel in London for the third year running. We're at the Forensics Europe Expo and we're showing off RiVR CSI and RiVR Link. RiVR CSI allows us to have a complete crime scene investigation inside virtual reality. It allows you to lay the body on the floor, drip some blood on the floor, do some fingerprints, press save, call your friends into a multiplayer world and then investigate the crime exactly how you would do in the real world. It's basically the same as what you would do in a forensic crime house. We basically copied what they do in the real world and gave a digital spatial version to allow you to walk around in virtual reality and interact with objects. You have lots of tools in there, including a laser scanner, a camera, fingerprinting. You can do blood testing. There's lots of different things to do inside the scenario, but always the complementary piece that sits with that RiVR CSI is RiVR Link. RiVR Link allows you to do 360 video content that you can shoot yourself and then train people in the video content on procedures, and then maybe we need to do some hands-on training so we can move to RiVR CSI to do the hands-on training. So if you'd like to come along to the Excel, come down to the stand and have a look at the software. You can have a go on RiVR Link and see some video content, and you can have a look into RiVR CSI and see some more immersive interactive content. We'll see you soon.